Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. If you're passionate about building PCs or simply improving your setup, you're in the right place. Today, we dive deep into the often overlooked, yet critically important component of any build, the computer chassis. From airflow management to aesthetics and cable organization, choosing the right chassis is crucial for ensuring a smooth building experience and optimal performance for your PC. We'll cover multiple case studies, breaking down different types of chassis for various use cases. But before we jump into today's topic, a quick reminder. The purpose of No Case the Tech Gad is to help you grow your tech mind and spark fresh ideas on a daily basis. So if you're not subscribed yet, you might be falling behind. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and stay updated. The budget builder's best friend. Our first case study revolves around a budget-conscious PC builder looking for a case that offers the essentials without breaking the bank. Let's call this person Alex. Alex's priorities are straightforward: affordability, decent airflow for cooling, compatibility with ATX motherboards and standard-size GPUs. Chassis choice: the budget ATX mid-tower. After scouring the market, Alex opts for a popular budget ATX mid-tower case. What makes this chassis stand out? It's simple yet functional. It provides space for multiple fans and comes with pre-installed front and rear fans. The side panel is acrylic, giving a decent look at the interior, though it's not as premium as tempered glass. Why this case? This chassis strikes a balance between price and functionality. While it lacks some high-end features like USB-C ports or toolless drive bays, it offers good airflow with its mesh front panel and can accommodate most modern GPUs. Perfect for a budget build that doesn't compromise too much on cooling performance. The aesthetic enthusiast, meet Jordan, who wants their PC to look as good as it performs. Jordan is after something sleek, modern, and most importantly, transparent enough to show off their RGB components. Chassis choice: the tempered glass mid-tower. Jordan goes for a high-end mid-tower with tempered glass on both sides and a full mesh front panel for optimized airflow. The case is designed with RGB lighting in mind, featuring multiple locations for RGB fan installation and integrated lighting control via software. Why this case? Aesthetics and performance don't have to be mutually exclusive. With a case like this, Jordan can showcase their build with stunning RGB lighting effects while maintaining excellent airflow. The tempered glass side panels offer full visibility, transforming their PC into a work of art. Plus, the cable management features ensure that everything stays neat and tidy, contributing to a sleek appearance. The compact powerhouse. Now let's talk about Chris, someone who needs a powerful PC but doesn't have the luxury of space. Whether it's for a home office or a minimalist gaming setup, Chris wants something compact but still capable of high performance. Chassis choice: the Mini ITX case. Chris opts for a Mini ITX chassis, which is perfect for small builds without compromising on power. Mini ITX cases are known for being compact, but they also require thoughtful planning due to space limitations. This case comes with a cleverly designed layout, offering support for full-size GPUs and water cooling setups in a surprisingly small footprint. Why this case? Though it's compact, this chassis is highly efficient. The small size makes it ideal for small desks or entertainment centers, yet it still accommodates a powerful GPU and a decent cooling system. However, the downside is less space for internal storage or additional cooling options, so users need to plan their components carefully. The airflow obsessive, finally, let's discuss Morgan, who is obsessed with ensuring their components stay cool under pressure. For Morgan, performance is everything, and airflow is the top priority, especially when dealing with high-end components like an overclocked CPU and GPU. Chassis choice: the full tower with high airflow design. Morgan chooses a full tower case with plenty of room for large radiators, multiple fans, and optimized air circulation. The front panel is a full mesh design with support for additional intake and exhaust fans, ensuring a constant flow of air through the system. Why this case? A high airflow design is perfect for Morgan's needs, as it provides enough space for water cooling and custom loop setups while maximizing cooling potential. The larger size also allows for better cable management, and even though full towers take up more space, the thermal performance is worth it for hardcore gamers and overclockers. Key takeaways: how to choose your perfect chassis. So, what have we learned from these case studies? The right computer chassis depends on your specific needs and priorities. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. 1. Budget versus features. If you're on a budget, go for cases that offer decent airflow and necessary features, but don't overspend on aesthetics. 2. Aesthetics. For those who want their build to look as good as it performs, tempered glass and RGB support are excellent features to consider. 3. Size and space. Think about where your PC will be placed and how much room you have. Mini ITX cases are perfect for small spaces, but require careful planning. 4. Airflow. If cooling is your primary concern, make sure the case has adequate fan or radiator support and a design that promotes airflow. And there you have it. 4 different use cases and 4 unique chassis solutions. Whether you're building a budget-friendly rig, showcasing RGB lighting, or ensuring peak performance with optimal airflow, choosing the right chassis is critical to getting the most out of your PC. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and share it with fellow builders. And remember, here at No Case the Tech Gad, we're dedicated to helping you grow your tech knowledge and spark new ideas daily. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. You don't want to fall behind in this ever-evolving tech world. Drop a comment below with your own case preferences, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, happy building.